Hi guys, today we're gonna make colors by putting food coloring in each of these plastic tube bottles. First we gotta open them up. All of them up. Don't be very careful with them. Like I said. Before it just drifts over, very carefully. Oh. Then we got it open, put a little tiny food coloring. You just wait, then close it back up. Then take it out, close it a little bit more, then shake it up. It's already green, put it back. Except it falls. Then, do the same thing with this one. Close it back up. Do the same thing for each color. Do the same thing for each color. Like blue. Each a tiny little drop. Then close it back up. Shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Do the same thing for each colors. Like this one, yellow. It kind of does look orangey and reddish, but that's it. Comes out yellow. Do the same thing for all the colors, like this. Then it will just change it up. See? It's yellow. It's yellow now. And stick it back in. Well, no touching the disappearing ink, but cool. It's pretty cool, but no touching the disappearing ink. You're not supposed to touch it, reading kids. Only if you want to ask a grown-up to help with this disappearing ink. It's not allowed to be touched by children. You need to help. You need to get an adult for your help. So, right now, I'm done with this video. Bye.